Hello. Yeah, now we have already solved the NATAS level 6 to 7. So we have already NATAS level 7 password. This one, where is it? I think this one, yeah. So now our mission is to jump from NATAS level 7 to 8. Let's go. This one, the URL. Let's copy it and go. The username is NATAS 7. The password will be, I think, yeah, the password will be this one. This one. Let's log in. Yeah, I just let me make it bigger. Yeah, this one is home. Let me click it. Yeah, this is the front page. Let me click it. This is about page. So on the like, if you get this kind of things on the CTF, you have to first of all see it the view source page what's around this. So let us see it. Let me make it bigger. Yeah, this stuff has nothing to do with this level. So around this hint, what the hint says, the password for the web user NATAS 8 is in this pass. So we have seen it previously. Let me copy it first, this one. Previously we have seen it. When you click it, this one, home, it will change to the home, this pass. When you click it about, yeah, this one also change it to the about. So let us, instead of that, let us replace it this pass as the hint suggests us. Let us make, yeah, this one is the password. We got it. We solved the challenge successfully. Yeah, that's this one. If you get this one is interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.